Hi students, welcome back. Today in this video session we'll learn about what is atomic mass and mass number. So here, what is the difference between mass and mass number? Simply, when we are taking a mass of an atom in grams and kgs, then we should call it's a atomic mass. It's a atomic mass. So when we are taking mass in units like 1 atomic mass unit, 2 atomic mass units. Example, here hydrogen is there. What is the weight of hydrogen? Here I am taking in a units, that is 1.008 atomic mass units. 8 atomic mass units. So when we are taking in a units, then we should call atomic mass number. Here 1.008 is a mass number. When we are multiplying that 1.008 with AMU value, we will get actual value of hydrogen. That is called mass. That is atomic weight or atomic mass. So that is the actual difference between mass number and mass. So here actually what is mass? How to calculate this atomic mass and mass number? Simply see here, I am giving an examples. So what about this? This is a piece of chalk. So what is the weight of this piece of chalk? May it's 15 grams. May it's 10 or 15 grams. Coming to this duster, may it's weigh 100 grams or 150 grams. Remember grams. So here I am taking a gram as a reference standard mass unit. Reference standard mass unit. So with that reference standard mass unit, I am comparing the weight of this duster. I am comparing weight of this duster. So this duster is 150 times higher than this gram weight. So 150 grams. And what about this piece of chalk? It's a 15 times greater than the mass unit, that is a gram. So it's a 15 grams. Like here in chemistry, to measure the weight of atoms, in units, here we have a standard reference unit, that is called atomic mass unit. So what is that atomic mass unit? That and how to calculate the mass units and mass number, that we will discuss in this video session. So let's begin. Simply here assume this is the element. Here I am taking A we are denoting for atomic mass, and what about here Z as a subscript? We are taking for atomic number. So what is atomic number? In our recent videos already we learned about what is atomic number. Simply number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom called atomic number. So now coming to atomic mass. So simply here how we calculated the weight of piece of chalk, that is weight of duster, when comparing with the gram weight. We got 150 grams weight for duster, 15 grams weight for this piece of chalk. Like in chemistry in 1961, that is International Union of Chemists decided that 1/12th part of C12 atom weight is a standard mass unit. So like gram, how we compared this chalk piece, how we compared this duster, like here we are taking a 1/12th part of C12 atomic weight as a standard mass unit. Then simply while taking this standard mass unit, we are comparing this value with a mass of other atoms. Then we are getting number of times. How many number of times that mass of atom is higher than this AMU, that is 1/12th part of C12 atom is equal to mass number of that particular element. Example, I am taking here is a X element. So what is the mass number of this X element? Mass number of this X element, that is equal to mass of X element divided by 1 by 12th part of C12 atom weight, then we are getting a particular value. Example, assume it's a Y value in units, or we can take AMU. So what is AMU? I'll explain. So this is a value which we are getting. Simply here we just comparing this 1 by 12th part with the weight of X element, So here how many number of times this X element mass is higher than this 1 by 12th part, that is called mass number of this element. Example here for the hydrogen mass number is equal to mass of hydrogen divided by 1 by 12th part of C12, then we are getting 1.008 units. So this is the mass number of hydrogen, that is a mass number of hydrogen. Like this we are taking a weight of element and we are comparing that weight of element with a 1 by 12th part of C12 atom weight. We are getting that number of times, that is equal to mass number of that particular element. So here I have a doubt, actually what is the value of this 1 by 12th part? We are calling as a AMU, that is equal to the weight of carbon by 12, then we will get value of AMU, atomic mass units. So let me explain here. So what is AMU? 1 AMU equal to mass of C12 divided by 12, because 12 parts now. So what is the mass of C12? It's a 1.9924 into 10 power minus 23 grams divided by 12. Then we are getting a value of AMU, that is equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams or 10 power minus 27 kgs, that is 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. Let me write here 1.66 into 10 power minus 27 kgs. So this is the actual value of 1 AMU in grams and kgs. So when we are comparing this value with the weight of other atom, then we will get obviously particular number. It's may simple integer or fractional, that is called mass number of element. So I hope you understand well what is atomic mass number, and how we are calculating that atomic mass number. So let me explain some examples. Here see nitrogen is there. So what is the atomic mass number? Atomic mass number of nitrogen, that is equal to mass of nitrogen divided by 1 AMU, that is 14 AMU. What is the mass number of nitrogen? It's 14 is the atomic mass number of nitrogen. Coming to oxygen. So oxygen atomic mass number, that is equal to, that is mass of oxygen divided by 1 AMU. If we are getting 16, then the 16 is a mass number of this oxygen element, So this is mass number. So what is mass, what is weight? So simply here example I am taking mass of hydrogen. So how we can define the actual mass in grams and kgs? Simply example here I am taking a mass of hydrogen, hydrogen, that is equal to mass number multiply with AMU, multiply with atomic mass units. You will get mass of this hydrogen atom, that is equal to 1.008 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams, that is equal to 1.67. it's a 6 into 10 power minus 24 grams. So this is the actual mass of hydrogen, Simply, how we can calculate actual mass of any element? Mass of any element equal to mass number multiply with atomic mass unit, then you will get actual mass in grams or kgs. Example, here nitrogen is there. What is the actual mass of this nitrogen in grams? 14 into AMU. Then you will get actual mass in grams and kgs. That is a weight of nitrogen. When you are taking oxygen, 16 into AMU, then you will get actual mass of that oxygen in grams and kgs. So here, by using a 1/12th part of C12 atom weight, we can measure atomic number. So from the atomic number, we can calculate its actual mass in grams and kgs. So here we have other definition also. To get mass number. That is very simple. See here, number of protons, number of neutrons. See here, that nucleus consisting of protons and neutrons. So here see, to calculate a weight of this particular atom, we must take a weight of all the particles present in that atom, subatomic particles. Electrons are there, protons are there, neutrons are there. Here we are considering a weight of neutron and weight of proton to measure a mass of that atom. We are not considering electron weight because it's highly negligible. It's very low value. So we are not considering that electrons are mass particles. We are considering protons and neutrons are a mass particles. So simply, number of protons plus number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom called, that is mass number. It's mass number, atomic mass number. Why directly we are taking number of protons plus number of neutrons, that is equal to mass number? Because here weight of proton and weight of neutron is maximum equal to AMU. See here. So what is the atomic mass unit value? It's 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 grams. See here, these are weight of AMU. So what is the weight of proton? Proton weight equal to 6726 into 10 power minus 24 grams or 27 kgs. And what about the weight of neutron? That is equal to 1.6749 into 10 power minus 24 grams or minus 27 kgs. See here, 1 AMU equal to 1.66 10 power minus 24 grams. That is maximum equal to proton weight, maximum equal to neutron weight. So instead 1/12th part of carbon comparing with the mass, we can take protons plus neutrons or taking as a mass number of that particular atom, because each particle which is proton, which is neutron, we are considering as 1 AMU. So because that is approximately equal to 1 AMU, but to calculate actual value, here we must take that what is the value when compared with the 1/12th part. So here this is a common definition, that is number of protons plus number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom called mass number. So to get a actual mass in a grams, you just multiply mass number with a 1 AMU, mass number with 1 AMU, then you will get weight in grams and kgs. So I hope you understand well what is atomic mass and atomic number. If you like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.